my channel guys. Let's begin the new recipe. First we use a bowl. In this bowl we add a 4 big tablespoon of flour. Here we using almond and raisin to taste. 1 cup of granulated sugar and add 1 cup of milk. Now we add some melted chocolate here. After this completed, add a tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and now it's time to give it a whisk. You can see guys, there is no lumps inside. Nice and smooth, perfect. So here we are using a plate, add ghee and spread it over there. Here I am using my fingers. If you don't want to use your fingers, you can purchase a oil brush by online or a local market. Now we add a butter paper and again add little bit of ghee and spread it over there. You can see guys, it's completed. Now get this batter in there. And tap it very well. Now we're gonna bake this in a 170 degree oven for 30 minutes. My brownie is out of the oven and we cool down enough. Now we use a melted chocolate. You can see guys. Here I am using melted chocolate to the top of the brownie and spread it into the sides and the corners of the brownie. You can see guys, here I am using a spoon to spread it over there to the brownie. You can see guys, it's almost done. Here I am using some chopped almonds and raisins to garnishing my brownie. It's done. Now it's time to cut into the pieces. How smooth it is. You can see guys, it's softly cut it into the pieces. Put it into the another plate. It looks like really yummy. I cannot control myself to eat it. So guys, do you know what the time it is? It's time to taste. It really looks yummy and smells looks really chocolatey flavor. So guys, make this in your home. It's really tasty and amazing. And thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.